My name is Dr. Nellie Deutsch, but you can simply call me Nellie. I hold a Doctor of Education degree in Educational Leadership with a specialization in curriculum and instruction, along with various certifications and ongoing professional development in online teaching, Moodle, and educational technology. I have many years of experience as an instructor, trainer, and course designer, with a strong background in developing professional development programs for educators. Much of my work has focused on Moodle as a learning management system and on integrating innovative technologies, including ChatGPT and other AI tools, into teaching and learning. In addition to this, I also teach immersive technology and experiences in MSc programs at a distance for a few universities, where I guide students in exploring virtual reality, augmented reality, and other emerging tools in education. A key part of my professional life is being a YouTuber, with over 172,000 subscribers on my channel dedicated to Moodle, AI tools, immersive technologies, and professional development for educators. Through video creation, I am able to reach a wide global audience, share practical demonstrations, and connect with educators beyond the classroom. This creative work allows me to extend my teaching, making learning accessible to teachers and learners worldwide. My interest in Moodle and AI tools comes from their ability to transform education. Moodle provides a powerful platform for collaboration and personalization, while AI technologies such as ChatGPT offer new ways to support learners, generate content, and enhance interaction. This course brings these two worlds together so that educators can explore and practice how AI can be meaningfully applied in TESOL contexts. As the instructor of TESOL Online with AI, my goal is to guide participants in developing hands-on skills with Moodle and AI tools, encouraging experimentation, reflection, and creativity. I want participants to leave the course with both confidence and practical strategies they can bring into their own classrooms or professional projects. I have worked on numerous projects that combine Moodle and AI, such as designing AI-powered reflection tasks, chatbots for language learning, and immersive course structures that highlight student voice and collaboration. These experiences have shown me the exciting potential that lies in merging pedagogy with technology. My career goals remain focused on empowering teachers worldwide to innovate with technology, support active lifelong learning, and use Moodle and AI to create transformative educational experiences. Outside of work, I enjoy doing jigsaw puzzles, swimming, long-distance walking, and driving, which help me stay balanced and energized.